Hi, hello, and welcome to another video. You probably see that I'm really stoked right now, and that is because we are finally watching the second making film for Thunderous, and I'm watching it again on VLive because YouTube has been really slow, and the first making film hasn't even got subs on YouTube yet. So I can only really watch it on VLive because there's no subs on YouTube, and I want to understand what they're saying, especially when, they're talking, and there's no reason for me to watch something if I can't understand them when they're talking. But yeah, I'm super pumped. Finally, I'm gonna see this. It's 25 minutes, so it's pretty long. So we gotta strap in. But yeah, I am really excited because I know I've seen a couple moments here and there, and I know they look amazing. So yeah, without too much talking in the beginning, let's go. Let's get into it. All right, let's watch it. Let's go. Ding! And let's go. Thunderous second making film. Okay, we're starting. We're starting immediately, okay. I just keep remembering that this means that I'm gonna get more Chan back behind the scenes. Ayan here? Oh my goodness. He looked amazing. Aww. Look at the switch. Look how cute he is. Oh. He's so cute. Hi. Oh. Him with the hyuns. Yes. Look how good he looks. I love the shorter hair. Hi. Oh my god, he's so blonde. He's so blonde. He is so pretty. Hi. Yes, the hair is glowing. He looks like a sun. Hi, Chan. Sorry. We got like 2 seconds of him and I was already like... This hair on Felix though, I know that's probably hairspray, but my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so fun to hear the claps. Whoa! That was honestly kind of cool. I want to watch that again. Give me a sec. I want to watch that again. I'm going to watch that again. I don't care. I'm going to watch it again. Wow. It just like... They should have kept that in. Look like a bird. Oh. Don't slap him. Ben? Oh, I love when they call him Ben. You eat a lot. I don't know. It's unhealthy. Oh, I forgot about the missions. I mean, he already did it. Noise when he's happy? Yeah, he hides his feelings by making it seem like he's mad. Whoa. How cute! Sorry, he's really cute. Yes. Even though it's something I haven't heard from them before, it still sounds like a Stray Kids song. You know what I mean? Also, I love this set design. I haven't talked about it enough. Hi! I love this. Look how good he looks. Look how good he looks. Lena is is the worst but the best at the same time. Is she recording this vertically? You wish you could trust someone. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, I almost flinched too. I did flinch. Also, the fact that they're doing this in these outfits. Hi guys. Chan, I'm sorry. I've seen this too. Give a belly smack. Belly smack. What is he doing? I'm so sorry. You guys must probably be so over me. I can't. Like I've ulted him for a year. I'm sorry. It's like it's too much. Every time I see him, my heart just goes, ooh. It's too much for me. I can't handle it. Lino is so hot. For real. Like, something else. Those eyes. Hi. I love this look on him. It's so cool. It's so good. I love it. I already have. I haven't commented anything, but I've definitely watched it. 2 p.m. out here. Wait, is this what I think it is? I can't remember if this is what I think it is. At least they have a food truck. It's not open yet. Oh. You are so cute, Felix. Chan is here. Sorry. How does it look like that? What happened? Oh, Han is the cutest. Han is so cute. He is the cutest. It sounds like it's real. It seems really hard to keep your balance. Oh no! Oh, Felix. Still has it attached to the back of his head, though. Is it this what I think it is? No, it's just the food truck, is it? They were for their set. That's what I was thinking of. Aww. Hi. Yes! Who likes mint chocolate? Who likes mint chocolate? I wanna hug them. Oh my god. Bingsu? Isn't that like some sort of like ice cream sort of dessert? I'm gonna eat some ice cream. I'm gonna eat some ice cream after this. I decided now I'm gonna eat some ice cream. You know. Why is it... Oh my goodness. I thought someone got hit. Oh my gosh. Oh? Yeah. Okay. His loving voice. I don't know what his loving voice really sounds like. I mean, I know that he's like a loving person, but I don't know what his loving voice is. Because he is like a tsundere, you know? He is one of those. I can't remember. Seungmin's good looks, of course. Seungmin is so handsome. Aww. Sigmund is the most precious. Are you okay? He's so cute! Hold on, I'm just gonna make sure, yeah, this is the... I felt like the quality wasn't that good, but it's just the video's look. Handsome sound. What is a handsome sound? He's so cute. Hi, Tan. Sorry. I love these outfits. They're the best. I think the red outfits are my favorite. But, I mean, we do have... I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm obsessed with this part. Sorry. Woo. Youngbok. Lucky Dragon. Young is dragon, right? That's dragon. Bok. I don't know what bok is. Why are you so close to me? I can't handle too much prettiness. This look. Hyunjin. My god. Hyunjin. Sorry about that. We're gonna continue. I didn't notice that it had stopped. My bad. Let's go. Ding! I'm sorry. I was a little too into it, so I'm just gonna rewatch this. Again, so pretty. Too pretty. Look at Hyunjin. Look at Hyunjin. Look at him. What? I don't know when Red Lights is coming out, when the music video is coming out, but when it is coming out, I'm gonna die. The drums! It's so cool that they had them like going. It makes it so much more vibey. Lino! Oh my god! That's so cute. Also, Bangchan with the ombre eyebrows. You're just getting bloopers right now. Okay. Swaying didn't show on screen. Good. Hi. Bye. Wow, they're fast talkers. Of course Bangtan is like, you're so cool. Also, hi stylist. She's really pretty. Everyone. Yes. Oh no, I remember this. This is so funny. Everyone's like, I'm gonna unstand. This is so funny. I mean, if you have my kind of humor. Oh. Bye bye. He's just standing there with his... That looks so cool. There's so much smoke. Is that supposed to be there? I'm assuming. I don't know what's happening though. Aw. Oh, man, standing. Was that in the music video? Did he stick out his tongue? I mean, they do so many takes, I don't know. I love this cut. I love this scene. I love this. I think I retweeted it. Come on, shake a little booty. It's okay. Oh, my goodness. Hi guys. My heart exploded. Director. Yes. Yes. Good job. Yes, you too. You're done too. Oh, okay. I thought we were gonna get something from Chan, but he just left. Hi, Singmin. You are so pretty. You're so cute. You're so cute. My goodness. Hi. This is what I wanted to see. Aw. Don't slap booty right now. Don't do it. Singing is the best. I've seen this video a lot of times. Wow. That was really good. Wow! Good job! Ayan, you're so good. I know Chan is so artistic. Yes? Yes. 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 He's so pretty! Stop! Sorry. You are very cute. I did almost die. He's so cute. I love the long hair on him. He should actually grow some long hair out if he wants to, obviously, but he looks so good with it. That should be me. No, just kidding. I want to hold Changbin. I would love to. Also, his contacts. I couldn't tell if they're really warm brown or red, but he looks so good. He looks so good. I'm sorry. And you did very much surprise me. It's fine. I did. That's so cool. I could barely tell there were anyone in the video besides Felix. No, Felix. Sorry, besides Stray Kids. Why did I say that? I'm sorry. Felix on the brain, I guess. I'm not sorry. I love the ombre eyebrows. I can't stop thinking about them. You look so pretty. Also the nail art, if he does have the nail art here. I'm not sure if he does though. They're like zombies there. Go, Lino! I saw Lino smiling there. I saw him doing that. thought that was so cool. Hyunjin looked really cool, to be honest. Hi! Hi! Oh, it's so tiny! Do you want him to laugh? They are so cute. My goodness. Every time he comes on the screen, I have breathing problems. Hi! Oh, I'm sorry. Really? You are so cute. Hmm? Was it? I can't remember if that was actually. Not my two top ults. I feel like I'm gonna sob. Why am I like this right now? Ha- He is so pretty. What? His contact. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's do the last part. Okay. Ding! Also, again, someone was filming, so it's my 3. It's my 3. It's my 3. Please smile. You have my favorite smile. That was actually. My goodness. Hi, Felix. The like iridescent strands in his hair. He had it on Kingdom 2. It was the best. I love that look. So nice. Are you gonna dance to ASAP now? Yeah, you are dancing to ASAP. I honestly want to learn to dance it. I mean, it gets stuck in your head. ASAP. Changmin is good though. He's an amazing dancer. I'll not take any criticism. Okay, more time bandage. Okay. I can't believe we're getting this content for free. We're getting it for free. Singmin. Okay. Also, it's cool that they have like constant smoke going. The eyeshadow. How? I'm just gonna be quiet. I'm just gonna stay quiet. Shut my mouth. Let's go! Let's go, Stray Kids! Oh, it's so smoky. Let's go! I don't want to... I don't want to even know how late it is right now. It's probably so late. Please. Hope they got really nice sleep after this. Because they're million sellers, baby. Give them that sleep. They need it. That is such a cool... I can't remember what that's called. That's called like a cannon, I think. And... Chan! Oh my god. Hi, Lena. Superman, you... Yes, now it's the last scene. Let's go! Come on, guys. Woo! Great job, guys. You did amazing, like usual. 3 days? Wow. I always bow with them. Was that it? Was that it? Oh no, we got some like last parts. Okay. Oh, the missions. Okay. I completely forgot about the missions. They weren't completed, any of them. Who's this? Hyunjin? Yeah, that's Hyunjin. He looks so good. Lino being sassy. I don't know. What? They are very good kids. Why? What? How? Why are they so mean to him? Oh my god. I don't even know what's happening right now. I can't remember what they wanted. Hi! What, those things on his eyes are so pretty. I don't know what those are. Are those like gold jewels? Felix's hair again. Anyway. Kisses? Oh, is it the end now? Okay, that was the second making film. Wow. That did not feel like 25 minutes. That, absolutely not. Wow, that was super fun. I think that will be the last one. Although, we don't know. But I'm probably guessing that it's gonna be. But, yeah, thank you for watching with me. I'm sorry if I was a little excited. I don't know why, but, like, it's pretty late right now, so usually that time of day I get a little excited, especially about my olds. But yeah, thank you so much for watching with me. I hope you had fun, and at least as fun as I had. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care, and I'll see you soon.